Hi, I'm Mark Hepburn. I'm VP of Worldwide Sales for the company Iconics. Iconics is a global automation software provider and 9-time Microsoft Partner of the Year. Our award-winning solutions strengthen our customers' sustainability efforts, helping them reduce energy usage, cut costs, and curtail carbon emissions. We build easy-to-use automation software that can visualize, analyze, and mobilize information for any application on any device in real time. From energy management to fault detection and analytics to operations platforms, we make the invisible data visible. And our IoT and cloud-ready solutions let our customers see things they've never seen before. Energy flows, carbon expenditures, even the probability of equipment failure. But it's more than just a visualization tool. Instead, Iconics software empowers people to act on its insights in real time. We value our partnership with Microsoft in part because we too are dedicated to helping customers make meaningful progress on their sustainability journeys. Our solutions include smart grid management systems that optimize energy usage patterns, managing peak loads and increasing reliability. We also provide smart water management solutions that enable municipalities all over the world to safeguard their precious water resources. Our solutions enable agile factories to create correlations between production equipment and energy to reduce usage in the industrial sector, where nearly half of the world's energy is consumed. And we offer smart building solutions that connect sensor and control system data to improve occupant comfort, efficiency, and sustainability in indoor environments. Iconics designs its solutions to leverage Microsoft technologies, including Windows 10, Windows Server, SQL Server, and of course, Microsoft Azure and Azure Services. We leverage Azure IoT to power the analytics, machine learning, and online dashboards that drive optimization programs. And we pull telemetry from equipment and facilities using Microsoft Azure Digital Twin Service, uncovering insights that reduce operating costs and improve tenant satisfaction. Our solutions enhance sustainability in ways that go far beyond cost savings. Together with Microsoft, we at Iconics are working to combat climate change and build a more sustainable future. To learn more about how Iconics is helping companies around the world reduce energy consumption and become more mindful of environmental impact, visit iconics.com/sustainability and learn more about how Microsoft is helping customers and partners move towards increased sustainability at microsoft.com/sustainability.